There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying.
Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can't go on pretending day by day
that someone somehow will soon make a change.
We are all a part of God's great big family, and it's true, you know, love is all we need.
Youth Madagascar. Et comme chaque année en fait, en fin d'année, on a ce qu'on appelle le Noël de partage, c'est-à-dire qu'on essaie d'apporter de la joie, surtout pour les enfants, notamment qui viennent d'aide, mais aussi pour les enfants malades. C'est pourquoi on a choisi aujourd'hui l'hôpital des enfants d'Ambonage. Et on venait vous soutenir et souhaiter également la bienvenue à la petite Grace. Et puis bon courage pour la suite, pour l'éducation, aux parents. Toutes nos félicitations.
Cries for help will not be in vain.
We can't let them suffer. No, we cannot turn away.
Right now, they need a helping hand. No someone lie. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives.
It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
When you're down and out, and there seems no hope at all.
But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall.